Hey friends, I'm going to try posting daily vlogs from now on, and I'll keep trying as long as you follow my Being Praneeth page.
Hello friends, I'm currently in Goa right now with my two Russian girlfriends, but I know you are still single.
Friends, there is a sudden storm here, so I am running to save my life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've seen those viral Bigfoot videos on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. They're everywhere. And the shocking part is, many small YouTube channels and Instagram pages are making huge revenue from these videos, even if they've uploaded just 15 or 20 of them. Why? Because people love mystery, suspense, and the idea of Bigfoot sightings. But the real question is, how do they make such videos without even shooting anything in real life? That's what I'll teach you today, step by step, in the easiest way possible, using tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Flow VO3. Stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own viral Bigfoot video absolutely free, without any expensive gear or editing skills. But why Bigfoot videos? Because this theme never gets old. Everyone's curious. Is Bigfoot real? Is this the actual footage? That curiosity brings millions of views, and creators are smartly using AI to make these clips from scratch. For example, see this channel, only 20 plus videos, over millions views in total. And this Instagram page with just 10 AI-generated Bigfoot reels, thousands of likes and followers. That means you can do this too. No expensive camera, no actor, no forest location needed. All thanks to AI. Let's begin. First step, creating the perfect AI prompt to generate your Bigfoot video. Open ChatGPT and type something like this. I'm creating a video with VO3. Can you make me a prompt for my story where Bigfoot make vlog in English with hold selfie stick in his hand and recording his POV wearing a flowers printed t-shirt. Two beautiful Russian girls with him, and on camera he says, "Hello friends, I'm currently in Goa right now with my two Russian girlfriends, but I know you are still single." At the end, he is laughing. Click generate. Here is a prompt. Bigfoot is holding a selfie stick, filming a first-person vlog, POV. He's wearing a colorful flower-printed t-shirt and standing on a sunny beach in Goa. Two beautiful Russian girls are beside him, smiling and enjoying the moment. The scene captures a tropical, lively vibe with palm trees and ocean waves in the background. Bigfoot looks into the camera and says with a cheerful, teasing tone, "Hello, friends. I'm currently in Goa right now with my two Russian girlfriends, but I know you are still single." He laughs playfully at the end. The video has a cinematic, humorous tone with natural lighting and beach ambiance. Sounds professional, right? The more details you give, the better the AI video generator will perform. You can even ask ChatGPT to improve this prompt for platforms like Google Gemini or Flow VO3. Next step. Copy the prompt and open Google Gemini or Flow. Make sure your VPN is connected to the US network. Why? Because we don't have an Ultra subscription, we are going to generate it from US Student ID. If you don't have US Student ID, then you will have to watch our previous video in which we have made a complete tutorial on how to get a Pro subscription for free from Student ID. You can watch it by clicking on the I button in the top right corner, or I will give the link of that video in the description below. You can go and watch it. So we come back to the topic, copy the prompt and open Google Gemini. Paste the prompt here. Select 2.5 flash, then make sure to select video option. You can see here generate with VO3 and simply hit generate. Here's a tip. If your platform supports animation control, choose options like walking, turning head, or foggy environment to add suspense. Here's an example of what we generated.
Hello friends, I'm currently in Goa right now with my two Russian girlfriends, but I know you are still single.
But wait, what if you want Bigfoot to run, or to have a sunset in the background? Simple, tweak the prompt like this. See, Bigfoot is holding a selfie stick, filming a first-person vlog, POV. He's wearing a colorful flower-printed t-shirt and running on a sunny beach in Goa. Two beautiful Russian girls and Bigfoot running across a beach at sunset. Dust particles in the air, camera shaking slightly for thriller effect. He says, "Friends, there is a sudden storm here, so I am running to save my life." They are scared. The video has a cinematic, humorous tone with natural lighting and beach ambience. Make realistic and original type vlog video and hit generate. And don't worry, I'll share the prompt link in the description. See?
Friends, there is a sudden storm here, so I am running to save my life.
Once you have the perfect clip, download it. That's it. Isn't it a very easy method? Now open any free video editor like CapCut VN or Canva. Here you can add spooky background music, text overlay like Bigfoot caught on camera, zoom effects or filters for mystery. Here's an example of what we generated.
Hello friends, I'm currently in Goa right now with my 2 Russian girlfriends, but I know you are still single.
Friends, there is a sudden storm here, so I am running to save my life.
Isn't it an amazing realistic video? And here's the best part. You can upload these videos to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook and TikTok to get views and revenue. Many channels get thousands of views with just 5 to 10 such AI videos, thanks to curiosity-driven content. So why not start today? So guys, that's how you can create viral Bigfoot videos using AI. No camera, no special skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such AI content ideas. Comment below on which topic you want the next video. So bye-bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.